Hi Yazmin, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Here is the walk around video I told you I'd send you about the Toyota 86. The official color of this is Halo, and it is a manual transmission. Kind of rare, Toyota doesn't build too many of those anymore. Show you the window sticker here so you can see everything that's on it. Few little front view here. And of course, let's take a look inside. New cars always smell so good. I love opening the doors on these things. You do get 2 years free factory maintenance on this car from Toyota, good at any dealer. Let me know when you'd like to come in and take it for a spin. We do work by appointment here at 253-394-0046. Again, it's Ken Thompson, and I look forward to hearing back from you, Yazmin. Thank you again for your interest, and I look forward to hearing back from you.